I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. I know, but I know what the song. Wagwan people, I'm here to tell you that unfortunately, I'm not getting married anytime soon. However, if you are getting married and you hear the little wedding bells them ringing, and you know so you'll be walking down the aisle very, very soon, I'm here to tell you that you can purchase your accessories at Dare to Dream Accessories, and you can find them on Instagram, baby. Or if you're just one nice little gal, you just like general accessories and them nice little something there, then you can just go ahead, go on their website and just purchase general accessories. Now that I'm through with all the chatting and the blah blah blah, let's get into the meat of the matter. Now, Dare to Dream Accessories sent me a little packagey. People, but I know if you know I like when I get packaged and then something there, but just feel nice, I feel special, like special crackers. Anyway, let me pull it. Dare to Dream. Isn't that nice? Alright, so the moment we have all been waiting for. Look at that. Excuse me? Are you talking to me? I'm Miss Harrison and you are? Why? No man, this nice. Woo! Thank you, Dare to Dream Accessories. Mwah, mwah. No fluff, guys. Remember, you can check them out on their website. Go and follow them over Instagram. Them have the nice things ready.